currently it's going to use the current location to the next stop. So if you click on a pin and you click navigate, it's going to take you from your current location to the next stop. It's also, they have it toggled on default to use current location to your first stop. So let's say you are going to your first stop, it's from the terminal, it's going to use your location to that first stop. The show directions toggle is on. When you do click on a stop and you go to get directions to it, it's going to put a blue line on the map here for you, and it is blue. So that's why that is, they're color coded in a way to help you with that. It's going to drop a line on the map to show you where the map expects you to go. Obviously, that isn't necessarily the way you have to go, but it is there as a suggestion. And here is where you set your research interval. So if I were to toggle this on, it's going to auto refresh. And like I said, you can do, it goes up to 3 hours or it goes all the way down to a minute.